Picture this. It's midnight, you're already asleep, and then your computer screen lights up. The cursor starts moving on its own. A browser opens, customer info gets pulled up, an Excel sheet gets filled out, code gets written, and somewhere a button gets clicked. Deploy. This isn't a hack, and it's not a ghost story. It's the biggest technical variable of 2025, the AI agent. For the last 2 years, most people thought AI was just a chatbot, a talking encyclopedia. You ask, it answers, and nothing actually changes, unless you do the work. But now something shifted. AI didn't just get smarter, it grew hands and feet. It's no longer satisfied with giving you advice, it's starting to take control of the mouse and keyboard. If ChatGPT felt like a replacement for your brain, AI agents feel like a replacement for your limbs. So here's the real question. When AI can do the work by itself, what role are you playing? Are you the boss or the extra weight? A lot of people are still stuck in the generative AI mindset. Think of the last generation of models, LLMs, as a brain in a jar. It's read everything, it's brilliant, but it's trapped on a server. No hands, no tools, no action. You want it to book a flight? It can explain the steps, but you still have to open the app and click. Now look at how we actually spend our days. How much of your job truly requires genius? Most of the time, we're not thinking. We're moving information between software, copy a request from a chat thread, check inventory in a spreadsheet, open an ERP system, create an order, send the confirmation. It doesn't require creativity, it requires execution. And that's exactly what AI agents were built to eliminate. Because an agent isn't a chatbot, it's a closed loop. It can perceive its environment, plan a path, use tools, and execute actions, end to end. It's not a conversation partner, it's a digital employee. And once it can call APIs directly, or even read a user interface the way a human does, the value of humans as software operators starts collapsing fast. Let's do a quick reality check. Your bandwidth is limited. You need half a second to parse a web page layout, a second to move the mouse. You type maybe 60 words a minute. You get tired, your eyes blur. A notification steals your attention. But an AI agent, it doesn't look at the screen, it reads the code. It doesn't move a mouse, it sends commands. For a complex task, market research plus report generation, a human might need 3 hours. An agent might need 3 minutes. And the cost is basically electricity. On the axis of execution, this isn't competition. It's a different dimension. Do you see the irony? We spent years worrying AI would take the artist's job, and now we're realizing the people in the most danger might be white-collar middle layers. Anyone whose work is sitting at a computer, following clear rules, operating specific software. Because in that world, the agent doesn't assist, it replaces. So is this the end? No, because the explosion of agents does something else too. It frees humans from the most tedious part of work, the endless clicking, copying, and processing. In the future, there won't be Excel power users. There will be agent commanders, people who orchestrate workflows. You won't need to fill in the spreadsheet, but you will need to define what correct looks like. You won't need to write the code, but you will need to explain the product logic. Your core skill shifts from using tools well to designing the workflow. You become the engineer who builds the assembly line, not the screw on the line. 2025 may be the first year in history where ordinary people can command their own 1,000-strong workforce. So don't be afraid of the mouse moving by itself. Tame it, train it, make it work for you, day and night. It's your employee, not your enemy. Unless you refuse to be the boss. I'm a teacher learning how to use AI to work less. Follow me. Next episode. See you then.